In offices around the globe, AI technology is streamlining tasks that were once performed by humans. From data analysis to administrative duties, AI algorithms are becoming increasingly efficient, leading to concerns about the future of traditional office roles. In manufacturing, automation driven by AI is revolutionizing production processes. While this increases productivity and precision, it also raises questions about the displacement of human workers. Even in retail, AI is reshaping the customer experience. But as convenience grows, so do concerns about job loss among retail workers. To gain insights into this complex issue, we spoke with experts from various industries. While opinions vary, many agree that the future of work will be shaped by our ability to adapt and collaborate with AI technology. In conclusion, the question of whether AI are taking our jobs is multifaceted. As we move forward, it's essential to embrace innovation while also ensuring support and opportunities for those affected by technological advancements.